The 2026 Toyota 4Runner carries a reputation built on decades of unpaved roads and unforgettable trails. Rugged by nature and refined in execution, its body-on-frame platform supports capability on uneven trails while maintaining everyday practicality. Crafted for journeys both familiar and yet to be discovered, 4Runner is offered in 5 on-road grades and 4 off-road grades, each engineered with a clear purpose in mind. New for 2026, Wavemaker debuts on 4Runner TRD Pro models. From city streets to mountain switchbacks, this is capability with a soul. Power begins with the standard iForce turbo engine, producing 278 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. For those chasing more, the available iForce Max hybrid system elevates performance with up to 326 net combined horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. A standard multi-link coil spring rear suspension helps support a composed experience on the road, while up to 6,000 pounds of towing capacity highlights its strength for the adventure ahead. Built for explorers, the off-road grades are equipped with performance-focused hardware, including an available stabilizer disconnect mechanism to help enhance wheel articulation, an available locking rear differential, and standard part-time 4-wheel drive with a 2-speed transfer case, each component working together to help improve traction and control in demanding terrain. Available systems like crawl control, multi-terrain select, and downhill assist control are designed to work quietly in the background, letting the driver focus on the moment. From standard Bilstein shocks on TRD Off-Road to Old Man Emu on Trail Hunter and Fox shocks on TRD Pro, every configuration is tuned for a different kind of explorer. The Limited and Platinum grades add refinement to the equation, with adaptive variable suspension and available full-time 4-wheel drive that blends confidence with comfort. Every detail of the 2026 4Runner serves a purpose. A standard power rear window remains a signature feature, joined by an available moonroof and hands-free power liftgate designed for everyday utility. Off-road grades embrace the heritage of adventure. The Toyota grille with LED light bar, extended width over fenders, and high clearance front bumper mark Trail Hunter and TRD Pro as built for the untamed. Rigid LED fog lights, a TRD Pro aluminum skid plate, and a TRD Performance exhaust reinforce their mission. Trail Hunter stands tall with bronze finish alloy wheels, ARB roof rack, and high mount air intake, while Limited and Platinum add a layer of sophistication with 20-inch alloy wheels, automatic power extending running boards, and satin or dark chrome finishes. This isn't just about standing out, it's about standing strong. Inside, the 4Runner is built for comfort that doesn't dilute purpose. An available dual-zone automatic climate control, 8-way power front seats, and heated and ventilated seating options designed to help make long journeys easier. Technology meets practicality with an available 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, Qi wireless charger, and up to 5 USB-C ports. Hybrid models even include 120-volt 2400-watt power outlets, turning the cabin into a command center for adventure. TRD models feature purposeful interior details, including a TRD badged shift knob, and on TRD Pro and Trail Hunter, all-weather floor mats designed for the elements. At the core of every 4Runner lies Toyota's intuitive technology suite, designed to help keep drivers connected and confident wherever the road or trail leads. Every 4Runner comes equipped with Toyota Audio Multimedia, including a standard 8-inch touchscreen or an available 14-inch touchscreen. The Toyota Audio Multimedia Platform includes standard wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to the apps on their iPhone, including Maps, Messages, Podcasts, and supported music apps. In addition, wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy for users to stay connected to their Android devices and seamlessly access their favorite maps, media, and messaging apps, including Google Maps and YouTube Music, directly on the vehicle screen. Plus, there's a standard 3-month Sirius XM trial that includes over 165 channels available in cabin, and even more on the Sirius XM app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. Wireless connectivity and premium audio options, including an available 14-speaker JBL premium audio system with portable JBL Flex Bluetooth speaker mounted on the dash, keeps sound crisp and immersive on every adventure. Additionally, select grades include trials for Toyota's line of connected services, including Safety Connect, Service Connect, Remote Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, and Drive Connect. Safety and convenience remain foundational. Every grade comes standard with Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0, which includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and proactive driving assist. Standard blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert and an available panoramic view monitor are designed to help drivers stay confident and aware of their surroundings. For the off-road grades, the multi-terrain monitor and trailer backup guide are designed to help offer clarity when visibility fades. Confidence, even when the path disappears. The 2026 Toyota 4Runner carries a lineage built on resilience and redefined by innovation. It's still the go anywhere, do anything SUV. Every new 4Runner includes Toyota Care, which provides 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first, of scheduled maintenance and 2 years of unlimited mileage of 24-hour roadside assistance. 4Runner's iForce Max hybrid grades also include an 8-year or 100,000-mile hybrid system warranty, whichever comes first, and a 10-year or 150,000-mile hybrid battery warranty, whichever comes first. The road may end, but the story continues. The 2026 Toyota 4Runner. Adventure. Engineered. Discover more at Toyota.com.